I'm tired and fed up of this idea that people keep telling me, let's work, let's work and make money. How can you actually end up being successful if you're just gonna focus on making money? We need to change this idea of making money to collecting money. Making money involves the idea that we need to be working for something. We need to exchange maybe our time for money. But collecting money, it means that once we put the work, we're going to be collecting something. Maybe you can collect real estate income. Maybe you can collect money from royalties, from book you already written. So what can you do right now to collect income, not making money?